Do you need to jack up and take the tire off to replace the shocks on your truck? This is a 2001. That's the old shock. This is the number of the new shock. Recommend using what the dealership calls for, but I have found on this truck I do not need to jack the truck up. I can get my body in here good enough on the top and bottom to get to this shock. So I did the other side with the truck sitting like it is. I'm going to do this side the same way. Not the best camera work here, but top is done. Bring it back, get you set up for the bottom here. Alright, let's get this bottom bolt out. And just like that. Bottom bolt is out. There you go. And I'm going to put the new one in just like I took this one out. No jacking the truck up. No taking the tire off. This one doesn't even extend back out or nothing. Anyway, let's get her in there, shall we? Alright, the new shocks are on, and it rides way nicer, way nicer. Those shocks that were on there were done. So, do stock factory shocks make a difference on your truck compared to, say, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's? I think they do. What do you think? What's your opinion on that? I pretty much am only going with the stock OEM shocks on my vehicles anymore because I played the game of back and forth, trying this shock, that shock, and not being happy with them, and then still having to go with the OEM factory shock. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Peace out.